Did you know you can skip long airport lines just by checking in from home? Today, Voyage Shield breaks down exactly how to check in for your flight without leaving your couch. It's quick, easy, and can save you serious stress on travel day. Online check-in allows you to confirm your flight and secure your boarding pass before you arrive at the airport. Most airlines open check-in 24 to 48 hours before departure. You can do it via the airline's website or mobile app. Before you start, have these ready: your booking reference number or confirmation email, your last name exactly as used during the booking. For international flights, your passport details, any health or visa documentation if required. Open the app, log in, and find your upcoming flight. Tap check-in, follow the steps, and pick your seat if available. Once complete, you'll receive a digital boarding pass. Save it in your app, screenshot it, or add to your phone's wallet. Don't want to use an app? Simply check in through the airline's website. Enter your details under the Manage Booking or Check-in section. After confirming, you can email, download, or print your boarding pass. Make sure the name on your ID or passport matches exactly what's on your airline booking. If there's a mismatch, you could be denied boarding, even if you check in online. Many airlines let you select your seat as part of the check-in process: window seats, aisle seats, or extra legroom. Just note that some may cost extra. Once you've checked in, you're officially confirmed for the flight. You can go straight to security if you have no bags to check. If checking luggage, drop your bag at the bag drop counter. Use your digital or printed boarding pass at security and boarding gates. What's your biggest travel tip? Let us know below. Set a reminder to check in as soon as it opens. Take a screenshot of your boarding pass, even if it's in your app. Print a backup if your phone battery might die. Make sure your airline allows online check-in. Some require airport check-in due to visa or ID checks. Check-in from home saves you time, energy, and stress. It's one of the easiest ways to fly smarter. And now, you know exactly how to do it. Like and subscribe to Voyage Shield for more beginner-friendly air travel tips. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to Voyage Shield for more travel tips. Thanks for watching.